Rizalians! Welcome back again to our channel. Kumusta po kayo? So good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Welcome po! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sitio Old Site ng Barangay Ransang, Rizal, Palawan. And of course, tara discover po natin ang Sitio Old Site para sa magiging next surfing destination dito sa bayan ng Rizal. And of course, to meet our very own, the surfing champion from Rizal, Palawan. Alamin natin kung sino siya. Let's go! Sa Barangay Ransang, Sitio Old Site, dahil nagtitrain po yung ating pong inimit dito na surfing champ na our very own. Tapos may mga estudyante rin po kasi siyang nagtitrain na rin dito. So, napaka-exciting nito na aabangan natin dahil malay mo, ikaw na rin ang magiging next surfing champ dito sa bayan ng Rizal.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. If you want to go surfing, just let us know. Sa Rizal, we have so many waves here. This is also perfect for surfing.
So yun mga ka-Andrew Rizalians, mag-relax lang si Sir, mag-lunch lang, and then mamaya kwentuhan tayo about the surfing here in Rizal, Palawan. Ano sir?
Yes.
Ka lang po and see you later. Alright, see you later guys. Hello again Rizalians. So tama na po natin our very own ang kinina natin, Sir Chazor Villaruel.
Hi! Hello guys, how are you?
Yes, nayo pa namin dito si Sir Jazz sa Ransang from Puntabahan. Of course, syempre, para maraming mga kabataan at hindi lang mga young at heart na ma-inspired at you know, sir, baka sundan ang inyong, ang inyong path sa pagsisurf. So, kwentuhan mo naman kami, sir. Ikaw ba talaga ay, yung kabataan po, bakit dumating ka po sa punto na ikaw na ngayon ang tinaguri ang Rizalian surfing champion? At okay, hindi lang po Rizalian po, ano sir, diba?
Hindi lang. Actually, yung mga champion ko sa surfing, it happens with the Manila Surfers Association. After ko mag-elementary dito sa Rizal, pumunta ako high school ako sa Puerto Princesa hanggang college, and then after that, nag-Makati na ako. And then, that's when I was introduced to surfing.
Ah, okay. Way back here, sir, nung kabataan mo, ano ba, mahilig ka ba sa dagat? Talagang, kumbaga, life po na dagat is life, kumbaga? Actually,
hindi din eh. Kasi, pag dati yung mga kaibigan ko dito na nakakakilala sa akin, my color changed a lot.
Kasi,
dati, sabi nung kabrad ko, si Loloy Nakator, sabi niya, Tol, ano nangyari sa'yo? Dati ang puti-puti ko ngayon, bigla ka nasunog.
Mistiso po pala si Sir Jess.
Yun yung mga tinatawag na built-in package. Na siyempre pag nag-surf ka, your color will change. Pero don't worry, kasi pag the darker you are, mas marami kang melatonin.
No, sir, the darker you are, the handsome you are.
Yeah. The darker you are, the more handsome you are.
Yes.
And you have to be tall.
Yeah. Sige na, ibigay na natin yung tall, mga ka-Andrep, mga ka-Rizalian ko. Sir, yung first first mong na-introduce, kailan yun? Kung kailan ka unang sumabak sa pagsasurf?
Okay, so balikan ko lang noon. Nung high school ako, I was introduced to skateboarding.
Ah, okay.
So kami yung mga nakikita nyo dati sa Mendoza Park.
Mendoza Park?
So, kami yung mga mulot na doon.
Yeah.
After high school, I decided to go to college, to the university in Yeshua.
Ah, okay. Safe.
And the reason why I went to the university is for me to be able to skate.
Oh!
Gusto ko lang talaga mag-skate sa loob ng campus.
Pero walang yung tinatawag ng scholarship na time sa skate?
Wala.
Paano naman po? Ano yun? Para lang?
Parang ano lang, gusto ko lang, since hindi ka pwede makapasok sa loob ng campus pag di ka estudyante, so you have to enroll.
And yung campus na nakikita yung good spot?
It's a good spot.
Okay.
It's like a skateboarding paradise for us.
And then from there, nagkaroon pa po ba ng career sa skateboarding? Or
Yes.
Anong
Until now, I'm still doing skateboarding. And in fact, in Rizal is where you can find the deepest and the most proper skateboard in Palawan.
Where?
In my backyard. Paradise.
Okay.
And it's also good for surfing simulation if you wanted to improve your surfing. So I coach like all the way from beginner to intermediate to competition level.
Sa skateboarding?
Skateboarding and surfing.
Ano ito, sir? Kung para ma-invite natin, ano ba ito? They need to enroll, to pay ng mga entrance, sa mga taga-Rizal?
So, sa mga taga-Rizal, that's also another thing, no? Before anything else, I would like to say thank you to our Honorable Mayor Norman S. Hong for the kind of trust that he is putting in accepting me to his core group. And my job is to help Rizal promote to increase the number of visitors or tourists through extreme sports. And we believe that Rizal has all the necessary geographical setup needed for an extreme sports tourism. So, naka-prepare ang Rizal talaga for extreme sports.
Alright, when we say extreme sports, what are those sports?
Surfing.
Mainly, yeah?
So, as you can see, we have surfing. I also made a lot of videos about kiteboarding. And here also Rizal. Skateboarding. We have one of the best obstacles in street skateboarding course here in Palawan. We have also downhill. We have one of the best downhill tracks in Palawan. And yeah, we have the best or the highest mountain, So, kalsada natin talagang malalalim din.
Ang dami yung kailangan paghandaan with Sir Jasser. Kailangan dapat physically fit kayo kung gusto nyo masabayan si Sir doon sa mga extreme sports na pwede nyong ma-join dito sa bayan ng Rizal. At nga pala mga ka-antrip, mga ka-Rizalians, highlight ko lang, si Sir Jas ay hindi lang po siya basta surfing champion dito sa Pilipinas. He is also Sir, ikaw na po.
Yeah, I recently, last November, I was awarded by the Philippine Surfing Hall of Fame as the pioneer of surfing in Palawan.
Yay!
So it was finally recognized that somebody from Rizal has made it to brought surfing to Palawan.
Yes, that's why hindi ko na sinasabi ko kiniklaim natin he is a legit Rizalian.
Yes, I am.
Not just in Rizal. So si Sir talaga ang legend na when it comes to surfing dito sa buong lalawigan ng Palawan. At syempre super proud tayo dyan kasi taga Rizal, kaya ang pinina natin na taga Rizal talaga si Sir. And Sir, kung mga yung mga gusto pang matuto or gusto po nilang ma-engage dito po sa surfing, ano po yung gusto niyo pong advice sa kanila? Ang pagsasurf ba ay para kanino lang? Or para kanino ba talaga ang pagsasurf?
Surfing is for everyone. From 4 years old, as long as marunong kang tumayo, hanggang 60 years old.
Oh!
Given the fact that you have the proper equipment, proper instruction, then nothing is impossible. Basta kaya mong tumayo sa umaga mula sa kama mo, that's it. It's very basic actually. But, of course, there are other stuff that you have to consider. You have to consider your health also.
Yes.
So, makakatayo ka with instructor kasi it was just like timing everything for you and then tayo ka with whiteboards, makakatayo ka. But if you really wanted to make it a hobby, that's another thing. You have to really change a lot. Kahit yung diet mo, kailangan talaga mag-vegetarian ka. For me kasi it works for me. I don't know about other people who it means that if it works for them, then you respect that. But for me, it works. Vegetarian, I eat veggies. But if you go to friends, like parties, and they only serve pork, might as well eat a little bit.
Yeah, Sir, share ko lang kasi si Ray kanina nagtatry. So kung mabigat ang katawan mo, hirap ka po talagang bumangon at ilulubog ka ng surfing board. So sa pinaka-problem, kung maraming magiging interesado, the problem is paano ba sila magkaroon ng surfing board or kapag beginner ba, pwede nyo pa silang pahiramin dito? Or do they need to bring their own surfing board? Or
Yeah.
ano po ang sistema? Sa mga beginners po.
Okay, so basically, what we're trying to do right now with the mayor's office is to set up the infrastructure of surfing. At isa doon is to have more surf instructors. We're actually encouraging anyone na gusto magkaroon ng surf career, yung mga out of school youth, yung palagay nila school is not for them.
Yes.
Just let me know. Talk to your parents if you would like to start a career in surfing. I can't promise a brighter future, but if you'll be a surf instructor, this is gonna be your office. You can choose to either go to school, study for 4 years,
Or go to the beach.
and then after that you work in an office, or learn how to surf, and this is your office.
Yeah.
The surfing opportunity is brighter for Rizal here. It's
Yeah.
bago pa siya dito.